All right. So, again, 3 teachers for the video. 3 teachers going to a conference. They're sharing the gas cost equally. They're each paying $38.50. I'm saying the algebraic equation is G for gas total divided by 3 equals $38.50. Everybody good with that? Does that make sense? Is there anybody who would like for me to talk about it? Because I will. Anybody? Please, heavens no, don't ask me. Total gas, split 3 ways, $38.50. We could all go, that's about $40 each, that's about $120, take off $7.50. $122.50. The gas is $122.50. That wasn't one tank, that was all the gas. Because no tank holds $122 worth of gas unless it's a double tank truck. You have the backup tank. Alright, beside the point. Okay? Everybody good with that? Alright, if I have a division problem, how am I going to undo it, Mason? Why? Okay, multiply by what? 7? Multiply by 4 a minute ago, so 4? What? Why 3? Because it's divided by 3. Alright, step 1. So if I ask you to show your work, here's the problem. Here's step 1. 3 sets of G divided by 3 equals 3 sets of 38.50. Got that written down? I don't see it. Step 2, do it, right? Step 2, solve. Okay? 3 times G over 3 becomes G. Because those 3's become 1, don't they? Right? So those just cancel themselves out. Not just because I say, but because if you do the actual multiplication, that's what you get. You get G over 1. Isn't G over 1 G? Because is it 7 over 1 7? Is it 2 over 1 2? So G over 1 is G. Right? And then on the other side, I multiply 38.50 times 3, because we practice doing division and multiply decimals. 0, 5, 1, that's 24, 25, right? Is that right? Everybody agree? So far, is that right? 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1. That. Is that right? $115.50. $115.50. Because it's $5 off and $2.50 more off. So yeah. All right, everybody good with that? I mean, $1.50, $1.50 is $3.50. Last step. G equals 11550. And that would be the answer. Okay, we're going to practice one more. Number 2. All right, Courtney, start us off. It says, Sylvia has completed 8 math exercises. And they're called E. This is 1/4 of the assignments. How many are there? Okay, this one's not worded the same, is it? So, sounds like she's done 8, which is 1/4 of all of it, right? Is that right, Courtney? Okay, this one is not worded the same. That's why we're doing this one. It is worded differently. Izzy, explain to me what I have written for number 2 there. So what's the 8 represent? How many exercises that person has done? What's the 1/4 mean? So she's done 1/4 of all the assignments, right? So how many assignments is all of it? Well, it's going to be 32, right? Because 4 times 8 is 32. But we don't know the number of assignments right now, so we're going to label them E. All right, so Courtney, step 1. You've got to write the problem first, though, right? So the literal problem would be 8 times 1/4 equals E. Well, that's what is the answer, but that's not the problem for the story. We don't know how many problems, right? E. Correct? Divided by what? 4 or 1/4? 4. She's done 1/4 of all of it. That means there's 4 parts of that, right? She's done one of the 4 parts, so she's done 1/4 of it. So E divided by 4 equals 8. Is that right? Is this right? E divided by 4 equals 8. Let's talk through it. There are E number of problems. She's done 1/4 of them, then that means 4 equal parts, and that's 8 problems. So yes, that works. That would work. Step 1, Courtney, is what? Multiply, isolate the variable. And what am I going to multiply by? 4. 4 times E over 4 equals 4 times 8. And this is the part, this is really the part we're looking for, right? But I'm got to remember, it's about isolating the variable, both sides. So step 2, 4 over 1 times E over 4 becomes E. 4 times 8 is 32. Step 3, E equals 32, which is the answer. Okay, I'm going to do number 3, and then you're going to do number 4 by yourself. Assist me with number 3 if you don't mind, Jayla. Number 3, Antonio bought a shirt for half off. Don't know how much the shirt cost, but he paid $21.75, right? He paid $21.75, which is half of the price. Correct? So would it be P divided by 2 equals $21.75, Jayla? Because this represents the whole price. He's paying half of it, so that's 2 equal parts. He's paying 1 equal part of the 2. And he paid $21.75. Then I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. P equals what? P equals what? 42 plus $1.50? 43.50? 43.50. That's some mad mental skills right there. Because 21 and 21 is 42, and then $1.50, 43.50. That would be distributed property I just did there, right? Didn't I just do distributed property? Yes or no? Did I do distributed property? Yeah, because I went 2 times this plus 2 times this. 42 plus $1.50, 43.50. Distributed property. Try number 4, please, by yourself. Do number 4 by yourself, please. 6 friends are sharing the cost of a pizza equally. Each person paid $15.25. That one's easy, right? Because it's worded friendly. So you can figure it out. The bleeding is almost over, so we're almost done. Almost done. So P for pizza, right? Dividing by 6 people equals $15.25. And then solve for it, right? Get $91.50 for your answer for a pizza. It's a really big, expensive pizza. They ordered several. Non-musketeers, thank you for not talking. Yeah, excuse me. That's right. Yep, that's exactly right. Yep, it does. Always works. E. P. So you should have got as the solution P equals $91 something. 91.50. P equals 91.50. Raise your hand if you got P equals 91.50 when you solve. You didn't get it? All right. You're going to work together with your group to do the rest of the homework on 565. On 565, you're doing 1 through 6. So if you're the team leader, you're going to do number 1. If you're sitting beside the team leader, you're going to do number 2. If you don't have a person, then you all will decide who that is. If you are sitting diagonal from the team leader, you're doing number 3. If you're sitting across from the team leader, do number 4. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. So Chloe, 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't want to do 2. Betty can do 2.
Okay, so hold up. Just a second. So first thing to do is whatever problem you're going to do, go ahead and solve the problem, then teach it to the others so they can write it down correctly. Everybody's responsible for the correct solving of all 6 questions with your work shown. with your work shown. You have 10 minutes to work together. At that point, if you're not finished, you'll finish by yourself. Your time will begin when Jayla sets the timer. And for me, you can